Video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to envelopes using Docusign Esignature. Sharing access can be crucial when you're managing documents in a team or need others to step in temporarily. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward but fundamental for collaboration in Docusign. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leading platform in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for managing documents efficiently. Once there, look towards the top right of the page and click on the login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. This is where you can get an overview of your ongoing, completed, or pending actions. From this dashboard, head over to your profile settings. If you're unsure where to find it, it's usually represented by an icon or your user image at the top of the page. In the profile section, click on My Preferences. This area is crucial because it lets you customize your Docusign experience. Inside My Preferences, you'll find an option labeled Shared Access. Shared Access allows you to grant permission to others, such as team members or collaborators, enabling them to manage and work with the envelopes in your account. Clicking on Shared Access opens a section where you can manage who has access and the level of access they hold. This feature is especially helpful when you're part of a team or need someone else to manage certain tasks temporarily. To add someone for shared access, look for the option within this section and input the necessary details of the person you want to grant access to. Be sure to decide on the level of access you want them to have, whether it's full management of envelopes, limited interaction, or view-only access. Docusign gives you the flexibility to assign permissions according to your needs. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to navigate Docusign, access your profile settings, and share access to your envelopes. Remember, regularly reviewing shared access settings is a good practice to ensure the right people have the correct level of access. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you work more effectively with your team using Docusign. Happy signing.